Standard 7th, Subject English, Unit 1, Subunit Little Girls Wiser Than Old People. Hello, students. Today we are going to learn a moral story Little Girls Wiser Than Old People. This story is written by Count Lev Nikolaevich Tolstoy or Leo Tolstoy. He was one of the greatest authors of all time. His world famous classic novel is War and Peace. In future, when you will get chance to read that novel, you must read that. Leo Tolstoy wrote many novels, short stories, and philosophical works also. He was proponent of nonviolence. His ideas on nonviolence had influenced great men like Mahatma Gandhi and Martin Luther King. He also wrote many stories for children. Here, one of them. However, this has a message for grown-ups too. So let's study the story. It was an early Easter. It was the beginning of the festival Easter. Easter means it is a Christian festival which celebrates the resurrection of Jesus Christ. The Bible says that Christ died on the cross on a day called Good Friday. According to the Bible, Jesus was then resurrected and came back to life on a Easter Sunday. ईस्टर हा ख्रिश्चन धर्मियांचा एक अतिशय महत्त्वाचा सण आहे. हा सण येशू ख्रिस्तांच्या पुनरुत्थानाप्रित्यर्थ साजरा केला जातो. बायबलनुसार येशू ख्रिस्तांना शुक्रवारी क्रुसावर चढवण्यात आले आणि मग त्यानंतर ते त्यांचे रविवारी पुनरुत्थान झाले. म्हणून ईस्टर हा जो सण आहे तो संडेलाच साजरा केला जातो. इन द यार्ड्स ले स्नो अँड रील्स रॅन डाऊन द विलेज. एव्हरीवेअर द स्नो वॉज लेड अँड देर वेर रील्स were running down the village. Here, rills mean small streams of water. A large puddle had run down from a manure pile into a lane between two farms. There was a large puddle. Puddle means a small pool of water. And this large puddle had run down from a manure pile into a lane between two farms. Manure pile means a heap of organic fertilizer. And at this puddle, two girls, one older than the other, had met. Here came two girls. It was the festival of Easter, so they had holiday, and so they came near the manure pile. Both of them had been dressed by their mothers in new clothes because it was the time of festival. So the girls had been dressed by their mothers in new clothes. The little girl had a blue dress and the elder a yellow one with a design. Both had their heads wrapped in a kerchiefs. Kerchiefs means a piece of fabric used to cover the head. We say it scarf. The girls had a holiday, so they came to the puddle to play. After prayers in the church, the two girls went to the puddle. Means first the two girls went to the church for prayers, and after the prayers they went to the puddle. Both were eager to show their new garments, their new dresses to each other. And now, here they show their new dresses and began to play. They wanted to splash in the water because it is the favorite game of every child to splash the water. First, the little girl started to go into the puddle with her shoes on. But the older girl said to her, "Don't go, Malasha. Your mother will scold you. I will take off my shoes and you do the same." Means the name of the small girl is Malasha here. Malasha entered in the water with shoes, and when the bigger girl saw that, she called Malasha not to go in the puddle, otherwise, her mother will scold her. She advised her to take off her shoes and then enter in the puddle, and she will also do the same. Then Malasha came out. The both girls took off their shoes, raised their skirts, and walked through the puddle towards each other. They started to come towards each other. Malasha entered in the water up to her ankles, and then she said, "It is deep, Akulka. I am afraid." Means the name of bigger girl is Akulka. Malasa said, "I am afraid because here the water deep." But the Akulka said, "Never mind, don't worry. It will not be any deeper. Come straight toward me. Don't worry, it is not so deep. You come straight toward me." They came near to each other. Akulka said, "Malasha, look out and do not splash it up, but walk softly." Now Malasha was splashing the water. So Akulka said, "Come or walk softly without splashing the water." She had barely said that when Malasha plumped her foot into the water and bespattered Akulka's new dress. Means Malasha neglected the Akulka's instruction and she plumped her foot in the water, and water bespattered Akulka's new dress. Here, bespattered means splashed drops of water on Akulka's dress. And not only her dress but also her nose and eyes. And that muddy water bespattered not only on her dress but also her nose and eyes. When Akulka saw the spots on her dress, she grew angry at Malasha and scolded her. Akulka's new dress became dirty, so she got angry at Malasha and ran towards her because she wanted to beat her, she wanted to strike her. And when Malasha saw that Akulka is running towards her, she also frightened, and seeing what trouble she had caused, jumped out of the puddle and ran home. Now Malasha ran home, and when Akulka's mother passed by the Akulka, she saw her daughter's dress bespattered and soiled. It was dirty, her dress was dirty, and so she got angry and she scolded her daughter. "Where, accursed one, did you get yourself so dirty? Got yourself dirty? Malasha has purposely splashed it on me," she said. "I have not got myself dirty. Malasha has purposely splashed it on me," Akulka complained. Then Akulka's mother's anger increased. She caught Malasha, grasped her, and gave her a knock on the nape of her neck. Nape of her neck means the back of the neck. She hit the back of her neck. Malasha began to howl. She started to groan, she started to cry, and her mother ran out of the house. The next part we will learn on the next period. Up to that, goodbye.